If you're looking to start an online business and you're wondering if Amazon FBA is the right one for you, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to be talking about how Amazon FBA works and whether it has the potential to make you rich. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Qais Sahel. I help entrepreneurs start and grow their online business. So if that sounds anything like you, make sure that you subscribe and follow to get the latest tips on growing your online business. First, let's talk about what Amazon FBA is and why it's so popular. Anyone can list and sell products on Amazon's website. It's a matter of just getting an account, getting set up, finding a product, and then listing that on Amazon's website. In fact, most of the products that you've purchased from Amazon's website were probably from a third-party sellers, and those are just regular people like you and I that just found a product, put their brand on the product, and now they're selling it on Amazon's website. So what FBA stands for is Fulfilled by Amazon. This is a service that's offered to people who are selling on Amazon, and basically it allows you to send your products to Amazon's warehouse. Amazon would then store the products for you, and then once a unit is sold, they would pick the product, they would pack the product, they would ship it to the customer, they would handle the returns, they would provide the customer service, and so forth. This is super popular because it gives you so much more free time to focus on your business, to travel, or to spend time with your friends and family. So now, how much money can you make with Amazon FBA? When you start selling on Amazon, you need to start treating it like a business. It's not a hobby, it's a business. It's sort of like a shopping mall. People browse through the mall, and if there's something that they like, they'll enter the storefront, and if everything checks out, maybe they'll purchase the product. And the reason why so many business owners love having a storefront inside a shopping mall is because of the constant traffic going through. Now, Amazon is the exact same thing. It has constant traffic going through, but on a much larger scale. In 2022, Amazon had approximately 2.5 billion visits every single month. That's crazy. That means you have the opportunity of putting your products in front of so many customers. So as long as you did your research and you found a good product, you have great images, and you did things correctly like I've outlined in my last few videos, then you should be able to make some sales immediately. We'll start at looking some common items like bed sheets. You can see here that the top 3 sellers are doing between $3 to $4 million in revenue every single month with only the bed sheets. Now, the average seller makes about 30 to 35% profit after all expenses paid. That means that these guys are doing about $250,000 in profit every single year. And that's with their bed sheets only, and I'm sure they've got a bunch of other products. Now, I'm not saying that you're gonna start selling $92,000 every single month immediately. That's not how it works, and you should definitely not be selling bed sheets because the competition is way too great. And these guys who are selling bed sheets, they've got a lot of experience, they've got a lot of capital, so when it comes to advertising, they can outperform you. And if they need to undercut you, they probably can last a lot longer than you can as a new seller. So definitely don't go into bed sheets, but instead, we're looking for small wins. So we're looking for products that can do maybe $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, up to $10,000 in sales every single month. We're aiming for small wins, but we're gonna keep adding products, and then those small wins eventually, when added all together, will be one big win. So the goal here is that we're going to be looking for products that can make us $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 in profit every single month, but we're gonna continue aiming small. We're not gonna look for products that are super saturated because at that point, it's a risky product. And we want to make sure that we make smart and educated decisions. And what I'm teaching you guys is exactly what I do myself on my own Amazon account. This is the approach I've started taking a long time ago, and it's something that I continue doing up until now. And you can see here in 2022, I did a little over $3 million in sales. If you'd like to see a video on how you can find products yourself so that you can get started, just leave a comment below and I'll make sure I get to that. So to answer the question of this video, is it possible to get rich with Amazon FBA? The answer is yes, but be ready to put in the hours because it's a lot of work. It's going to consume a lot of your time initially, but once everything is set up, you'll be happy that you did. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. I'm always more than happy to help and answer questions. My @ is down here below, and I'll see you guys at the next video.